Now, I will teach Iya math. So, Iya, come closer. This one, look at this one. 2 minus 1 equals?
1.
2 minus 1 equals?
1.
3 minus 1 equals?
2.
3 minus 1 equals?
2.
4 minus 1 equals?
3.
4 minus 1 equals?
3.
5 minus 1 equals?
4.
5 minus 1 equals?
4.
4 minus 2 equals?
4.
No, 4 minus 2 equals?
2.
4 minus 2 equals?
2.
5 minus 2 equals?
3.
5 minus 2 equals?
3.
3. 6 minus 2 equals?
Equals 2.
No, 6 minus 2 equals?
4.
4. 6 minus 2 equals?
4.
4. 7 minus